Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can find and buy the fish shredder in Fish It Roblox. If you're tired of missing out on rare fish because you cannot see them coming, the fish shredder is the ultimate tool in Fish It Roblox because it reveals the locations and priority of all fish near you. So to buy it, what you need to do is just find the utility store. So go to the utility store in here. Then once you enter the store, go right and you see the fishing radar. So you can just buy it for 3,000 coins in here. Tap on yes, and now you got the fishing radar. Okay, so this is the fishing radar here that you can use when you go fishing and when you go want to find rare items. So guys, that's how you can buy the fish radar in Fish It Roblox. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.